Welcome back, everybody. 11:44 on a Thursday morning, and we're just several minutes away from the afternoon, obviously, and we've got temperatures in the 60s, so we are not warming up as quickly today with some Canadian cooler air that has settled down into the Midwest. It's going to be sticking around, it looks like, for the next several days. We will start to warm up next week. We'll talk about that in a moment. Let's go to the Lake Michigan forecast, though, for this afternoon and evening. We've still got these west winds, west or southwest, depending upon the moment in time, really at 15 to 25 knots. Those will slowly start to subside this evening. And then actually on the southern end of the lakeshore, they will pick up again to some extent, not to this extent, but still a bit breezy, I do believe, throughout the day on Friday. Right now, waves about 5 to 6, even 7 feet. But those will diminish as we get into the nighttime hours. Water temperatures have been creeping upward. We're not far from 70 degrees, those water temps. Right now at last check. Mostly sunny skies will translate towards partly cloudy skies, and then we'll make the shift over towards just kind of partly sunny conditions, I think, by mid to late evening, as the latest weather disturbance to pass by, a much weaker one, obviously, than yesterday, will start to introduce a few more clouds several hours down the line, and even the possibility, folks, of a sprinkle, but mainly here off into the northernmost sections of the viewing area, the top row of counties, including Oceana, Newaygo, Mecosta. Yeah, maybe you get a shower, and perhaps you even see a few darker clouds, especially off into the northern horizon at some point this evening, as a weak area of showers, maybe a couple thunder showers, will be passing through, with dew points running in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. Certainly, we're not looking for any severe weather anytime soon. West winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour, folks. Now, some areas a little bit lesser than that, but generally everybody getting some noticeable breezes at the current time. Cooler and drier weather, we've got that now. That'll go through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then thereafter some warmth does start to come back. We could be around 90 degrees by about a week from now. So the hotter temperatures, they are not going away forever. They will make a return, but no big storms anytime soon. Those are taking a break, and we'll see how that plays out. Sometimes when you start to build back in that warmth and any level of humidity, if the maps change a little bit, there could be some thunderstorm clusters nearby. We'll see how it plays out. Let's go to the map, the model, and see what we're doing here heading into the weekend. We've got a trough of low pressure dipping in from Canada. That means cooler temperatures, noted by the cooler looking colors on the map. This is tomorrow afternoon. And then watch as we go into Saturday. We continue with this influence of Canadian cooler air out of the northwest, and that will stay atop us into Sunday, but begin to lose its grip back half of the weekend. This is Sunday at 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, and those cooler colors starting to head out of here, such that by Monday we're tacking on several degrees. You get into Tuesday and Wednesday, here come some of these orange and red colors, and that is the air mass that could be sending us well back into the 80s to around 90 degrees. Say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that would be the time frame next week. Radar doesn't have much going on. You see that little cluster? I was talking about some showers that may graze across northern parts of the lower peninsula. Yeah, it's over northern Wisconsin as we speak, and let's run the model out in motion and start to pick up on those. Until then, it's just mostly sunny to, at worst, partly cloudy skies for the bulk of today. That disturbance grazing across northern sections of the viewing area with a sprinkle, maybe a shower here briefly this evening. Folks, today will not be known for rainfall nor storms. Alyssa, I can guarantee you that. 70 tomorrow, so it does go cooler. We got a secondary cold front dropping through overnight tonight, and that will show its face big time with those overnight lows, too. Look, that in the 40s. Start to climb, though, next week. Staying dry, at least right now through Tuesday, Wednesday, back into the 80s.